Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey and Bingo with a lollipop. Do you want to know what happened when Bluey and Bingo found just one lollipop? Can you guess? Did they share it right away, try to take turns, or both want the whole sweet treat for themselves? What do you think, friends? One sunny afternoon, Bluey and Bingo were playing in the living room. On the table sat a bright, colorful lollipop, swirled with red, yellow, and green. Bingo's eyes sparkled. "I want it," she cried. Bluey gasped, "But I saw it first." "Children, can you stretch your arms forward like you're reaching for candy?" The sisters both held onto the stick, pulling gently. "Mine," said Bluey. "Mine," said Bingo. Their voices grew louder, but their faces stayed playful. "Kids, pull your hands apart, like tugging a pretend lollipop." Mom walked in, folding laundry. "Girls, what's all this noise?" Dad peeked from behind the newspaper. "Sounds like a candy battle." Bluey frowned. "But it's so shiny and sweet." Bingo pouted. "I only wanted one lick." "Children, can you pretend to lick a lollipop, slow and silly?" Mom knelt down. "There's a better way than fighting." She whispered, "What if you share?" But Bluey and Bingo still tugged, unsure. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Bluey suddenly had an idea. "Let's play a game. Whoever wins can hold it first." Bingo agreed, nodding fast. "Kids, clap your hands once, clap, to start the game." They danced in circles, hopping and twirling. Bluey spun left, Bingo spun right. The room filled with giggles. "Children, spin slowly in your spot, then freeze like a statue." Finally, both sisters tumbled to the rug, laughing hard. The lollipop rolled to Mom's feet. She picked it up, smiling. "You both worked so hard. How about I break it in two?" Bluey and Bingo cheered. "Yes, yes." Mom carefully snapped the lollipop, giving each a half. Bluey licked hers happily. Bingo twirled hers like a magic wand. "Kids, hold your hand high. Pretend to wave a candy wand glowing bright." Dad chuckled. "See, sharing makes sweets even sweeter." Bluey leaned against Bingo. "I guess you're right." Bingo hugged her sister. "Best candy ever." They sat side by side, enjoying their halves. Outside, the sky turned golden, shining soft and warm. Mom whispered, "The sweetest thing is seeing you both smile." Children, bring your hands together, give yourself a big hug, and imagine you're sharing candy with Bluey and Bingo. Now wave goodbye with Bluey, Bingo, Mom, and Dad, all smiling and full of sweetness.